No, I know. What's this?
Actually, I was sitting.
What's this?
Cookie.
Where's a cookie?
I was sitting down.
Yeah, scoot over. Make it for Aaron.
Cookie.
It is a cookie. What's this?
I don't want Sky.
Scoot over.
Sky.
Scoot over, Zach.
Well, I cannot see the TV that well.
I'm sure you can. The TV's plenty big. Here, Audrey. What's this? Say pumpkin. Pumpkin. Is it scary?
Scary.
Scary?
See, I love that.
Can you find me the zebra?
Zebra.
Find the zebra.
Zebra.
Go get the zebra.
Zebra.
Uh-huh.
Was I pushing A?
Zebra! Good girl. Where's the wagon?
Wagon.
Uh-huh.
Wagon.
Where's the wagon?
Wagon. See, I love
That's an umbrella. What about an elephant?
I love it. See that? I love it.
Yeah! High five. Yeah! Fist. Woohoo! Where's a wagon?
Wagon.
That's a wagon over there. Get the wagon.
A guinea pig.
Yes! It's a wagon! Where's a heart?
Heart. It's heart.
That's a heart. Good girl. What about a fishy?
Fishy.
Where's a fish? Fishy. Good girl.
Fishy.
What about apples?
Apples. Apples.
I think that's pizza.
Pizza.
Uh-huh. What's this? This is apples.
Apples.
Uh-huh. Can you find a sucker?
Sugar.
I knew you knew that one.
The sugar.
Nummy. See, I'm smart.
I'm smart. Oh my gosh, Jack.
Say smarty pants.
Smart pants.
Say smarty pants.
Smart pants.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.